Am I audible? Good evening, one and everyone. Audio, video clear or not? Let me just check. Okay. So today we are discussing the paper analysis of chemical science set. Yesterday's question paper, chemical science question paper we are discussing of CSIR-NET exam. Any of your friends want to attend this session, do invite them. So actually this chemical science question paper, as per what I have seen, I haven't got all the questions from the students, but I got about 12 to 15 questions. Most of the questions were repeated from previous year question paper, same question itself. Same question not only came in chemical science set, which came in mathematical science set, earth science set, physical science set, life science set. Different questions came from different question paper. They have repeated in this. So that is how they have formed this chemical science aptitude section this time. Majority of the questions were actually repetition of previous year question papers itself. So audio video clear now? Those of you are attending live, please respond whether the audio and video is clear. And this session is useful for all science stream students because these questions, as I told, will be good for your practice, and also as different subject aptitude section got repeated this time for chemical science, this question papers can again be repeated in upcoming exam for every stream, any stream they can ask these questions. So it is always good to practice. New students, if you want to get daily updates of my free classes and more free materials and daily free videos, you can be part of my Telegram channel, Telegram group and WhatsApp group. The details are given here. And my mobile application Christy's classes you can download from Google Play Store and get more updates from there also. Okay, so and daily free classes happen in Unacademy also, either at 11 a.m. most of the time 11 a.m. but tomorrow's classes at 6 p.m. in Unacademy platform, in Unacademy special class platform. The paper analysis of life science will be done tomorrow 6 p.m. So okay, so let us start today's session. Yeah, actually in this book the solution of all these questions I am discussing today is there. As I told, these were from previous year question papers itself. So this is the book I have written for general aptitude. All the questions we are discussing today, that is chemical science CSIR-NET 2022 question paper which happened yesterday. All those, I mean almost all the questions were actually previous year questions repetitions, and all those previous year questions detailed explanation is given in the book I have written for general aptitude section. Okay, let us start with the first question. Make it try, all of you. All of you make it try. I'll give you 1 minute, try it and mention what you got. And those of you who attended yesterday's chemical science exam, just let me know if there is any corrections in the question or anything different than what you have seen in the question paper. You can comment also that in the comment section. And those who are here attending live, you can tell in the live chat itself. Okay, Samantha got option B. Let's see. Yeah, I think majority students have today live exam. Life science students had exam today, so you people will be watching recorded. When you watch recorded, if you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section itself. So milkman adds 10 liter of water to 90 liter of milk. So it will just tabulate the data. So milk, water and total, if you tabulate. So 10 liter of milk, water to 90 liter of milk. So total 100 liter is there. Just one day before the exam I was discussing this question, the same question, and that just got repeated in yesterday's question paper. After selling 1/5 of the total quantity, 100 1/5 salt means 1/5 is 20 liter. 20 liter salt means, yeah, 1/5 salt means 20 liter salt. That means 80 liter will be remaining now. So there you should understand, if total 1/5 is salt, from milk also 1/5 is reduced, water also 1/5 is reduced. It is not like only milk is reduced or only water is reduced. Milk also will be reduced, water also will be reduced by the same proportion itself. Total is reduced by 1/5 because remaining will be 1/5. After 1/5 remaining, 4/5 will be, after 1/5 selling, 4/5 will be remaining now. Same way, 1/5 reduced means milk also 1/5 reduced. That means 1/5 of 90, 18 liter will be reduced. And water 1/5 reduced means 2 liter reduced. 10 1/5 is 2 liter now. So that means 8 liter remaining. What is remaining only we are concerned about. What is sold already, that is not our concern. What is remaining is our concern. Okay, now what happened? Question says that after selling 1/5 of the total quantity, he adds water equal to the quantity he has sold. Quantity of total mixture he has sold is 20 liter. That much water he is adding so that he want to make the customer believe that there is still 100 liter milk. So he is adding 20 liter water, so 28 liter water will be there, and milk will be remaining 72 because he is not adding or reducing milk. So 72 liter will remain 72 liter, and total will become 100 again because 20 liter water is added. Now finally, what is the question? Proportion of water to milk he sells now. Now he have 100 liter total, so he can sell 100 liter. In that, milk is 72, water is 28. So water to milk proportion is what is asked. Water to milk proportion will be 28 by 72. That is 28 is to 72. Option B is the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Those of you are watching it live, please respond. Is this clear? So another question is this question. All of you make a try. I'll give you 1 minute. Make a try, please. Any answers? Okay, so today live attendees are less, so I will just explain. Time for solving I am not giving much today. So as many of you are in the exam hall and just completing exam now today, so you people will be watching recorded. So I will just solve these questions, and if you have doubt, mention in the comments. I will answer you in the comments itself if you have any doubt. Those of you are watching recorded, most of you. So the difference between the squares of the ages of a father and a son is 899. The age of the father when his son was born. So this age of his father when his son was born. You think about you and your father. When you were born, your father's age. You can just imagine if you know exactly what was the age when you were born. Or if you don't know exactly, how you can find it? Your father's present age, if you know, that present age minus your age will be the age of your father when you were born. Now, your father's present age minus your present age will be your father's age when you were born. That means if your father's age is presently x and your age is presently y, that x minus y will be the age of your father when you were born. For example, if your father is 60 years old now and you are 25 years old now. So 60 minus 25 will be the age of your father, that is 35 years old was he when you were born. So the difference between age of the father and son then also will be same, now also will be same. Now, your father and you, how much age difference was there? When you were born, what was the age difference? Same will be the age difference now also. And that will be the ages of the ages. X square minus y square is equal to 899. Then age of the father when his son was born. So actually I told you age of the father when his son was born is nothing but x minus y. From this you need to find x minus y. X square minus y square is 899. From there you have to find x minus y. Yeah, understanding that x minus y is needed to be found. That is the important thing in this question. So yeah, here actually trial and erroring will be better way, or you can mathematically simplify it also. Both are fine. I will show you both the ways. 899, if you can understand that 900 is 30 square and 1 square is 1. 900 minus 899, 1 is 899. Nah? That means x square will be 30 square, y square will be 1 square. That means x is 30 and y is 1. X is 30 and y is 1. So what will be x minus y? 30 minus 1. 29 will be the answer. But if that is not coming immediately in your mind that the 30 square minus 1 square is 899, then you can mathematically simplify it and use the options to do it. So the second method of solving is x square minus y square. We need x minus y now. This is a square minus b square form. So x minus y into x plus y you can write there equal to 899. X minus y is what you need to find. So product of two numbers is 899. And now look at the answer option. X minus y is what? Is it 27, 29, 31? Let us substitute. 27 into something is 899 or not, you should check it. If it is not working, try with 29. And when you try it, you will see 29 into 31 will be 899. 29 into 31 will be 899. So x minus y is 29. And that is what you need to find. So option C is 29 years. Option C 29 years is the answer. X minus y is what you need. That is why x plus y we don't have to consider. X plus y will be the bigger number obviously. X plus y will be more than x minus y now, because as x and y are positive numbers. So that is a very good age problem and numbers idea, both are needed here. So option C 29 years is the answer. Hope this is clear to all of you. And let us go to the next question. Yeah, this is another numeric ability question. Make it try all of you. Yeah, I will give you 1 minute and then I will start explaining. As I told, these all are previous year questions, came in different years, that was repeated in yesterday's question paper, mainly 2015, 2016, 2017, these 3 years are from which questions are taken, not only from chemical science question paper, it was taken from mathematical science, life science, earth science, physical science, part A question paper, they have taken up questions to make this question paper. So let us see this question. Let m and n be two positive integers such that m plus n plus mn, m plus n plus m into n equal to 118. Then what is m plus n? You don't want m and n value, you need m plus n value. Like previous question, we need to do some simplification here, then only you can get the answer here. I will explain in detail. Just a minute. Okay, so m plus n is what you need. So yeah, here you should understand clearly. M plus n, just like previous question, if you can write m plus n into m minus n or something like that, if you can write this as a product somehow, then you can solve it. Write the right hand side as a number where you can write it as product of two numbers. I will show you how you can do that. After explaining, I will tell you how you can come up with this idea. So I will add 1 on both sides. Mathematically, that is not a mistake. Na? Adding 1 on both sides. X is equal to y means x plus 1 equal to y plus 1. That is not a mistake at all. So m plus n plus m into n plus 1 equal to 118 plus 1, we can say. Now look at this. I will write n involving terms together. mn plus n plus m plus 1. mn and n I am writing together, and this is 190. Now n I am taking common in these two terms. N I am taking common, n into m plus 1 plus m plus 1. Now consider this as a number, this as a number. Two numbers added is 190. And both the numbers have m plus 1 common. So I am taking m plus 1 outside and n plus 1 will be remaining. M plus 1 taken, n will be remaining here, 1 will be remaining here. That is equal to 190. Now look at this, I have written 119 as product of two numbers. M plus 1 into n plus 1 equal to 190. Then 119 can be prime factorized to get the value of m plus 1 and n plus 1. When you prime factorize 119, what you will be getting? It is 7 into 17. 7 into 17 or 17 into 7. 17 into 7 is equal to 190. Now, what does that mean? M plus 1 can be 17 and n plus 1 will be 7 then. M plus 1 will be 17. M plus 1 is 17 means what will be m? M will be 16. And n plus 1 will be, n plus 1 is 7 means n will be 6. So we got the value of m and n. So m plus n will be 16 plus 6, 22. 16 plus 6, 22. So option D, 22 is the answer. Yeah, I agree that this is a tough question, because if you are seeing this kind of a question for the first time, definitely this will be a tough question or tough step to reach it. But if you have practiced these kinds of questions before, this is a comparatively simple question only. As I told, this was already asked one time before in the NET exam, 2015 June, I guess. Anyway, this is clear, I guess. So as I told, how to reach at this value, because anyway from one equation two unknowns cannot be solved like normally we cannot do that. Na? So for that we are using this technique. So I hope all of you understood this. So if that is clear, try this question. Yeah, this is a concept that I told you that there are high chance that exam they will ask this. Gold and its purity related question. CSIR is so obsessed with asking questions related to gold and its purity. Maybe because Indians are also obsessed with gold. CSIR also is interested to ask questions from gold and its purity. Make a try, all of you. Okay, so I will explain. If equal weights of 22 karat gold and 24 karat gold are mixed to form an alloy, what will be the weight proportion of copper in the alloy? Again, these are memory based wording, so students have told that this was almost the question, so and this is very much matching with that question that came in previous exam, so I'm assuming that this was the exact question that you have seen yesterday. Those of you attended yesterday's chemical science question paper, if there is any change in the question, do comment, do mention in the live chat also, so that we can make that corrections. So 2-3 students have reported same questions, I'm just assuming this itself is a question. So gold, copper, total. It's a mixtures problem, gold, copper, total. If equal weights of 22 karat gold, 22 karat gold means 22 parts gold and 22 parts copper. You should understand what is the meaning of n karat gold. 22 karat gold means 22 parts will be gold, 2 parts will be copper. So what about then 18 karat gold? In general I am asking, so that you can identify any question or do any question like this. 18 karat gold means 18 parts will be gold, remaining 6 parts. Why 6 parts? Because carat is defined out of 24. Out of 24, how much parts? So 18 karat gold means 18 parts gold, 6 parts copper. 18 parts gold and 6 parts copper. So 12 karat gold means 12 parts gold, remaining 12 parts copper. So 18 out of 24 parts will be gold in it, 6 out of 24 parts will be copper in it. So anyway, so there is 2 types of gold here. So 22 karat gold will be having 22 parts gold, 2 parts copper, total 24 parts. Out of 24 parts, 22 gold, 2 copper. And there is another 24, it is equal gram, equal weight, so you don't have to worry about how many grams is taken. If this is 1 gram, this is also 1 gram. So 24, second type is 24 karat gold, 24 parts are gold, 0 parts is copper in it. If you mix it, as it is equal, if you mix it, you can just add up the total gold. 22 plus 24, 46 parts will be gold. 2 plus 0, 2 parts will be copper. 24 plus 24, 48 parts will be total. Now the question is asking, what will be the weight proportion of copper in the alloy? Weight proportion of copper means copper out of total quantity into, not percentage, fraction we know. Fraction or ratio, whatever it is. So weight proportion of copper means copper by total is what you need. Copper will be 2 out of 48. So it will be 2 out of 48, 1 by 24. If the question was weight proportion of copper, 1 out of 24. If it is weight proportion of gold, it will be 23 out of 24. If it is weight proportion of copper asked, this will be the answer. So I hope, is this clear? If there is any doubt, please ask. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Another geometry question asked, very simple question. Make it try all of you. Okay, so this is a simple question. I will explain how to do this question. So you need to find the value of this x. So the best thing to do this question is you can extend this line, a construction you can make, you can extend this line like this. And then you will get a triangle, I will call it ABC. This ABC triangle if you consider, you need to find the value of this x. If you can find this angle and this angle, then you can use angle sum property. Yeah, before exam I told you angle sum property for all polygons, if you can learn, it is better. And the shortcut formula I told you, n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is applicable. For triangle, you already know that sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. That is what we are going to use here. So if this is A, this is B, this is C, this is X. So find this B and C angle, interior angle. How you can find that? First of all, if this is 130, this is going to be 50. Why? Linear pair idea. This is a straight line. Nah? So if this is 130, this is 180 minus 130, 50 degree. And similarly, this is also 50. Same reason. These two angles form a straight line or linear pair. So 180 minus 130, 50. And also, this is 130. Same reason, this is also 50. And now, if you consider, I will call this XBY or XYB triangle. This is 50, this is 50 means 100, 50 plus 50, 100. So the remaining is going to be 80. Angle sum property in XYB triangle, if you consider, 180 minus 50 will be this remaining angle 50, sorry 80. So if that is 80, again linear pair idea you can apply. 100 minus 80. 180 minus 80, 100 will be this angle. So you got this is 100, this is 50. So X will be definitely 30 degree. Now, not writing any steps. If you are logically doing, you can just look at the picture and conclude. Hope that is clear to all of you. 100 plus 50, 150. 180 minus 150 will be 30 degree. So 30 degree should be the answer. So this is how you can do this question. I hope that is clear to all of you. If so, try this question. This is an interesting Venn diagram problem. One minute, please try. Okay, any answers? This is a very interesting question. Suppose 3 meetings of a group of professors were arranged in Mumbai, Delhi and Chennai. Each professor of the group attended exactly 2 meetings. This is the keyword in the question that is very important. The keyword in the question that is very important is every professor attended exactly 2 meetings. So when you draw the Venn diagram, this is a Venn diagram based question. When you draw the Venn diagram, you should understand that exactly 2 meeting attending professors only are there. Think that this is the Mumbai circle, this is the Delhi circle, this is the Chennai circle. And questions clearly says exactly 2 meeting only everyone attended. That means all the 3 meeting attending people are 0 in number. 0 in number because everyone attended exactly 2 meetings. So no professor attended all the 3 meetings. That is understood from that keyword itself. And similarly, Mumbai only attending people, Delhi only attending people, Chennai only attending people, all the 3 will be 0. Why? Because that all are 1 meeting only attending professors. But question clearly says there is no 1 meeting only attending professors. All professors attended 2 meeting exactly. The word exactly is the reason why we are taking these 3 also 0 and this also 0. Are you all understanding this much? And there is no professor who attended 0 meeting, so outside this also, this area also is 0. I have taught you how to draw Venn diagram, how to analyze Venn diagram in many of the previous classes. Those of you missed it, check out my previous lectures on Venn diagram. Yeah, my all lectures I have taken in different profiles. I have given more than 700 classes through different platforms, YouTube, Unacademy special classes, Unacademy YouTube channel. If you want to see all of them and don't miss any of them, either you can be part of my Telegram channel, Telegram group or WhatsApp group or mobile application, or subscribe this channel. In the community tab also I have uploaded I update all the regular live classes and the previous classes. If you don't want to miss, in Google you can just search General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. You will get the link of all my previous classes and the books I have written, and the other resources you want to access also are available there. So anyway, the Venn diagram idea we learned, same idea is what is needed here. But listen, 21 professors attended Mumbai meeting. So Mumbai total is 21. Total of this circle is 21. And 27 attended Delhi meeting. This total is 27. 30 attended Chennai meeting. This total is 30. We need to find how many of them attended both Chennai and Delhi. Chennai circle, Delhi circle intersection. So Chennai and Delhi means this x is what you need to find. The required unknown I am taking as x. So this x is what you need to find. So that is x means we don't know this also, we don't know this also. So I will assign y and z respectively for Mumbai and Delhi attending people is this now. Mumbai and Delhi meeting only attending people. Mumbai and Chennai only attending people is considered z. Now everything we have assigned something. X, Y, Z are the 2 meeting attending people. Now what you can say? How many of them attended? So now there are 2 ways of solving. I will tell you the one of the easier ways. So we can say we need to find the value of x. So you need equations involving x. So equations involving x you can form. Delhi meeting 27 people now. So we can say that 27 is equal to sum of all the elements inside this circle. That is y plus 0 plus x plus 0. That will be total Delhi people count now. 0 plus 0 you don't have to consider. So x plus y is equal to 27 is the first equation. Similarly, from this circle we can form another equation. This circle sum is 30. So z plus 0 plus x plus 0 is 30. That is x plus z is equal to 30. Second equation. And one more equation we need as 3 unknowns are there. So Mumbai circle 21 will be sum of all these 4 elements. That means y plus z is equal to 21. 3 equations, 3 unknowns are there. We need to find the value of x. You can solve it in different ways. I will tell you the simpler way. If this is equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3 you add up left hand side and right hand side. 2x are there, 2y are there, 2z are there. So 2 times x plus y plus z we can write. And right hand side you add up 27 plus 30 plus 21. 27 plus 30 plus 21 will be 50, 70, 78. So 2 times 2x plus 2y plus 2z I am directly writing 2 times x plus y plus z. That means cancelling the 2 throughout, you will get x plus y plus z is equal to 39. X plus y plus z is 39 means you can already see y plus z is 21. Substitute that y plus z into this equation. X plus y plus z, in place of that you are putting 21 equal to 39. So x is equal to 18. So 18 is the correct answer. Time consuming, I agree, but it is a very good question. Hope all of you understood this. Please mention whether this is clear or not. Because if you are attending it live or recorded, comment on this. Anushka is saying all 6 questions that I attempted in GATE General Aptitude were correct. Your tips help. Thank you so much, Anushka, for the good words, and thank you for letting me know. All of you who let me know after the exam how the classes help. Thank you so much for that. It actually for an educator, that is a very what we can say, rewarding thing, that after the exam students saying how the exam went and how was it, the things that we learned, when whether, yeah, sometimes it may be something that what we expected didn't come in the exam, but still when we hear from the students that how the exam went, that is a rewarding thing. So thank you so much for all of you for letting me know how your exam went, how aptitude section went. And most of you told that aptitude section, the things that we learned, same things, many questions you were able to do, like what we learned, same things came. So good to hear that also. Yeah, today also many repeated questions were there, Nanishka. Yeah, many students were telling this time CSIR repeated too many questions. Chemical science and life science, they have done more of that. But physical science, mathematical science and earth science also. In earth science question paper, what was there? Similar pattern, many questions were there in physics question paper. And physics question, same pattern, few questions were there in mathematical science question paper of aptitude also. And life science and chemical science, they have repeated the previous year questions, exact same questions they have asked. Like chemical sciences, the most number of questions repeated from PYQs was from chemical science. Life science, few questions were there. I didn't get the entire questions. I am waiting for students to send more questions. Those of you are attended today's exam, if you remember any question, you can mail me christy1710@gmail.com. So, okay, Anushka. So that question is clear, I guess. Then let's go to the, yeah, we'll discuss 2 or 3 more questions. There are many questions. Pending questions we will discuss in the upcoming days in the Unacademy YouTube channel and Unacademy free platform. And in this channel, if possible, I will take one more session on this. So make a try. This is a very good question. This is a very good question. Okay, Arjit, aptitude section and subject part both were tough, Arjit, or which was doable? Those people exam, if it didn't went well as you expected, don't worry, don't stop trying, continue trying. Okay, Naveen, that question was there, na? Okay, that we have discussed many times. 2 meter into 2 meter into 10 centimeter volume of soil, na? Okay, that question was there. That was a super easy question, but chances are there if we read it in hurry, we can miss the core aspect of it, that volume of soil is asked. Okay, that question also was there. Some repetition was there. Okay, Arijit, okay. Same data itself. Okay, Naveen. Okay. We will discuss that tomorrow. The paper analysis of life science also will be conducted. All subject paper analysis I will be conducting. All paper analysis are not in the same platform. Some lectures I take in this YouTube channel, some in Unacademy YouTube channel, some in Unacademy special classes. So tomorrow's session will be Unacademy special classes. It is already there. You can check the description of this video. You can get the link to my Unacademy special classes also. And full length training from me, if you want to attend daily at 8:30 AM, I give the complete course for general aptitude in Unacademy Plus platform. With the code CC10, you can access Unacademy Plus platform also. So this question I will explain now. Consider a series of letters placed in the following way: U, dash G dash C dash C dash S dash I dash R. Each letter moves one step to its right and the extreme right letter takes the first position, completing one operation. So what is one operation? This R reaching here and U reaching next position, G next, C next, C next, S next, I next. That means one operation I will show you. With the first operation, if you want to see, one operation, U will shift to here, G here, C here, C here, S here, I here. R, now there is no spot, so R should take this spot of U. Are you understanding? That is what the question is saying as one operation. One operation is this. So, one operation is this. How many such operations are needed? How many such operations are needed so that C does not. C means the two C, not C and S. It is two C. That is the meaning. C, small letter C, S it is written. Two C's means this C and this C should not lie together or sit together. Now they are adjacent, but that should not happen. For that to not happen, one C will be in this position and the other C should go this position. That is what the question is asking. From this situation to UGC CSIR to this situation where CSIR will be here and UGC will be here, so that the C and C are not together. Did you all understood? Now C and C are together, but finally C's not sit together, not sit side by side. So this is the only way for doing that. For that, how many operations are needed? That is the question. So Tasneem, it is 8:30 AM and 2 PM in the Plus platform. So, okay, so let us see. Operation by operation. First operation we will take. Operation number 1. After one operation, this is the initial case UGC CSIR. After one operation, R will come here. And then the rest of the letters same position. UGC, same position means same order. But R will be deleted, R is coming here. UGC CSI. Operation number 1, this is the situation. Operation number 2, what will happen? I will come here. I will come here and RUGCCS. Operation number 3 will be what? S will come in the position of I and push everything right. SIR-UGCC. Operation number 4. So operation 3. After operation 3, this is not happening. So option A is eliminated. Operation 4, C is coming here. One C is coming here. CSIR-UGC. Yeah, that is correct. After 4 operation, this is happening. But unfortunately, 4 is missing in the options. Unfortunately, 4 is missing in the option. So what we can do? We have to continue doing this or understand when will this repeat? This cycle will repeat when? Again, after how many operations this will repeat? For that you should know how many letters are there. 7 letters are there, na? So 7 letter cycle is repeating. For that 7 operations should again happen, na? That means operation number 4 means now after operation number 11 only it will happen. 4 plus 7, 11. After operation number 11, same CSIR-UGC will be the situation. CSIR-UGC. This is a situation we need. This is the situation we need. So 11 also can be the answer, but unfortunately 11 is also not there. 10 is there. That is not possible. So now plus 7 idea, modulo 7 idea we can say. Not modulo 7. Modulo will be modulo 7. Modulo 7 should be 4. But modulo means just simply speaking 11 plus 7, 18. Again you will be getting same picture itself. CSIR-UGC. So 18 is also missing in the option. 19 is not enough. So 18 plus 7, 25 also same picture will be repeated, no? And 25 is there in the answer option, so 25 is the answer. Among the answer option which is working, that is what we need to check. Yes, Abhishek, 25 is totally correct. I hope this is clear to all of you. And this question, those of you, anyone who attended yesterday's exam is attending this live, please let me know whether this question was there in the question or is it exactly this question or not. Can you just mention anyone who attended yesterday's exam for chemical science? And those of you watching the session, do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more people who are checking for this answer key and checking for chemical science part A solution and practice of aptitude section. So anyone who remember this question in yesterday's question paper? No? Students told that there was a question where platform length was asked and train with speed was given, but I am not sure whether the speed was exactly 36 km or not. This was one previous year question, 2015 year this was asked. I just want to confirm whether it was the same question or not. So I think live students, so I will come back to this question then. This was there in the question for sure. So make a try this question. This is a good question. Try it, all of you. Okay, so I will explain. DRQP is a small square of side A in the corner of a big square ABCD of side A. Yeah, from here we can start. Given A by A is 3. So the connection between capital letter A and small letter A, what are they? This is capital letter A, side length of this big square, and this is small letter A. They have a connection. A by A is 3. A by A is 3 means A is 3 times bigger than small letter A. That means if you consider A is 3, taking example method you can take, then small letter A will be 1. So that 3 by 1 is 3 itself. A by A is 3 is satisfied. If you are taking the example, let A be 3, then small letter A will be 1. Or side length of big square be 3, side length of small square can be taken 1 then. And what will be this remaining area, remaining length? 3 minus, this full is 3 now, 3 minus 1, 2 will be this BC length, and this is 3, this is 3. This much is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so taking example is used to simplify the question. What is the ratio of area of the quadrilateral PBRQ? So quadrilateral PBRQ means this shape area to that of the square ABCD. So area of PBRQ, that shape divided by area of ABCD. ABCD is the square. So PBRQ, how you can find? If you logically think from ABCD, if you cut out this triangle and this square, you will be getting the shaded region. Cutting out means find the area. Area of the big square is 3 square minus area of this square will be 1 square, na? Side length is 1, so 1 square. And this triangle, base is 3 and height is 2, na? So half 3 into 2. Half 3 into 2. And this is also half 2 base and 3 height. That is half 3 into 2 itself, or 2 into 3. That is going to be, this is going to be 3. This is also going to be 3. So we can say this triangle area is 3, this triangle area is 3, and this is going to be 1. So from 3 square you need to subtract that 3 and 1. From the big square you subtract this, this and this. Remove that. Divided by ABCD area, we already found 3 square or 9. So that is our final answer. 9 minus 7 by 9. Because 1 is 7. So 9 minus 7 by 9 is 2 by 9. So option A, 2 by 9 is the answer. In detail, we have discussed all these questions in the previous, in this YouTube video also. I have given us a video on this question. You can check it out. So for the time's sake, I hope this is clear. Then we will discuss one more question. 1 second. Okay, this was a question, monetary problem. We will discuss this also. This also I have explained many times. Check it out. More question if you remember, you can comment the question that you remember. We will discuss it in the upcoming sessions. Chemical science students. Okay, this question, to make you understand, I will explain with options itself. If option A is the answer, what is the meaning of that? Think about it, then it will be easy to understand. Direct method is also there, but due to time issue, I am just explaining with elimination so that you will understand. So if option A is the answer, what is 7? What is the minimum value of n? So n value is 7. N is 7. And what is n? A buys 7 copies. If option A is the answer, A buys n copies and n is 7. So A buys 7 copies of a book. So the number of copies of book A is buying, that is n, and that we are assuming as 7. Assuming option A being the answer. Elimination by substitution method we are using. And B is getting And question says that if N is 7, B is getting same book at 30% discount and B is getting one extra copy of the book. Minimum value of N for which B can get one extra copy of the book means B should get not 7 books, B should get N plus 1, 8 books. That is what the question is asking. For that to happen, what is the minimum value of N? So let us check whether 7 will satisfy that. If 7 is the number of books A bought, then 8 should be the number of books B bought for the condition to be satisfied. Let us check that. A is getting the book at 20% discount. So for convenience, I will consider let MRP of the book is, marked price of the book is 100. Just to get an idea. You can take any MRP, that does not change the answer. You can try it if you want. So I am considering let 100 be the marked price or printed price of the book, or MRP of the book. A is getting 20% discount means A is getting it at 80 rupees. 80 rupees per book. B is getting 30% discount means B is getting it at 70 rupees per book. Now question says A and B spend the same amount, spending the same amount. The total amount spent by A and B should be same. Let us check whether 7 and 8 satisfies that or not. 80 rupees for a book means 7 books, 7 into 80 rupees. That is 560 rupees total money spent. 560 rupees. And 8 into 70, that is also 560 itself. 560 rupees itself. That means spending same amount is satisfied. Why? Because we took n equal to 7. You can try n equal to 8. It will not satisfy. If n is equal to 8, B should get 9 books. 8 into 80 is 640. 9 into 70 will be 630. They are not equal because 20% and 30% discount still there now. So only option A satisfies this. Did you all understood this? This is the elimination method of doing it. And if you want a faster method, I will briefly mention another method of doing this question. Another method of doing this question is taking example method without taking options. Consider 100 be the MRP. I will tell you a logical method. Listen very carefully. Let 100 be the MRP of the book or printed price or the marked price of the book. 30% discount means 70 rupees for A. Yeah, this part, sorry, 20% discount means A is getting it at 80 rupees. B is getting it at 10 rupees. That means, sorry, 70 rupees. That means on a purchase of one book itself, B is saving 10 rupees. Now, use that logic. When A buy a book, B also buy a book, and on that single purchase itself, 80 minus 70, 10 rupees B is saving. Think practically that 10 rupee B is keeping in the pocket. After the second purchase, one more 10 rupee, keep it in the pocket. And B have to wait till B will get 70 rupee extra, 70 rupee total saving, so that B can buy one extra book. So how much B should wait? For the A to buy 7 books, B should wait. So that's 7 into 10. 10 rupees saved on one single purchase. So 7 into 10, 70 rupees saved on 7 purchases. So for saving 70 rupee and buying one extra copy of the book, because B's price for one book is 70 only. 10 rupees saved 7 times, so 70 rupees. For that A should buy 7 books now, then only B can get 70 rupees. So A should buy 7 books. That is a super fast method of doing it. No calculation needed. Direct method also is there, but that is too much time consuming. My sessions on shortcut methods for general aptitude, you can check out for learning different methods. And this question, for the time sake I am skipping. I will explain in another class. Option A should be the answer. This is a general science problem. Option A should be the answer if that was the question. And this question, if this is the question, option A should be the correct answer here also. I will just briefly mention. First you have to convert 36 km per hour into meter per second. 5 by 18 you need to multiply. That is 2 into 5, 10 meter per second. That means in 1 second 10 meter the train will cross. Train will move. Train should cross a platform. Platform 8 seconds. 20 seconds platform will be covered. That means train crossing platform means like this. And in 8 seconds a point on the platform will be covered. That means 20 minus 8, 12 seconds are needed to cover this much distance x. Let platform length be x. 12 seconds, and also the speed is 10 meter per second. So 1 second 10 meter per second means what? 1 second 10 meter can be traveled. So 12 seconds 12 into 10 120 meter can be traveled. So 120 meter is the answer. This is a shortcut method of doing it, but I am just briefly mentioning it. In another class we will discuss in detail. Now it's late. This is my 4th session today, so I am not continuing more. In detail, there is another way. If this is not understandable, a detailed way also is there. You have to first consider train crossing platform as one single case, train crossing point on the platform as another case, and then also you can simplify. That is also a way of doing this question. So point on the platform, train length is, we don't know train length, so let train length be some y, because x be the length of the platform you already taken. So y crossing a point on the platform means distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Speed is 10. Time taken is 8 seconds. So distance travel will be equal to the length of the train itself, that is y itself. So y is 80, you will find from the first scenario. This is another way of doing this question. So 80 you got as the length of the train. 80 long train is covering a platform of length x meter. So total length to be travelled is 80 plus x. Distance to be travelled is 80 plus x. And time taken, question says it is 20 seconds. 20 seconds. And speed is not changing, platform is not moving, only train is moving 10 meter per second. And now distance equal to 80 plus x is equal to 20 into 10. That is x is equal to 200 minus 80, 120. So this is the longer way, but this may be easy to understand. Yeah, briefly only I mentioned. If there is a doubt on this question, we will discuss that in the upcoming classes. So do subscribe this channel if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming classes and upcoming classes in different profiles. And if you want full-length training from me, you can be part of my Plus platform courses in Unacademy. And if you are not able to join Plus platform courses, still my free classes daily will continue. 11 o'clock and 6 p.m. is the classes of mine in Unacademy free platform, and this YouTube channel and Unacademy YouTube channel. You can see all these classes. If you want to get updates of it, you can be part of the Telegram channel, Telegram group and WhatsApp group. And in the media section of that, you can get the flashcards for different topics that will help you to understand concepts more clearly. So I'm concluding here. So do share this video to more and more people, so that more people will be able to watch this video, and that will help this channel to also reach to more and more people. And I will be able to give more and more free content like this daily. If you are able to promote this to more and more students and more CSIR-NET aspirants, CSIR-NET GATE, Vedic Maths, etc. We have some plans for the upcoming months. If you people are interested, I will come up with some daily regular free classes in this channel also. So thank you all of you. Take care all of you, and all the best for all of you for your results, and for your results also, and for your upcoming preparation of other competitive exam, whichever exams you are preparing for. So once again, thank you, take care, have a good night, bye bye.